Right, this is Saturday the 17th of May. Next lesson.
A little dog coming up behind you.
He won't bother about dog. Starting off really nicely.
Really? Looks okay now. Sorry? Looks okay.
I could just see a little bit of a twinkle in his eye.
You usually feel it when they touch their back, don't they?
Yeah. I don't want to feel that though. Oh, did you hear that? Oh. Wiz has just realised that May's around.
Pardon? The best buddies.
It's quite good for all the trotting about in the field and that.
Yeah.
And being happy.
Is the bear building?
Yeah. He loves May. He adores May. Yeah, that's a good start off. Next video, we'll take him in the forest. So.